Delhi Public School Bijnor. Today is the fourth day of our summer camp. So roll up your sleeves and get ready to see what happens in our summer camp. So let's get it. Now we have Shamoli ma'am who will tell us more about what students have learned so far. There you go, ma'am.
Thank you, Naishita. Good morning, everyone. I hope all the Dipsides have enjoyed a lot. We conducted n number of games. They played basketball, cone balancing, ball balancing along with their back, and they did lemon race. They enjoyed a lot. Along with that, they played kho-kho also. So what we have learned is their motor skills have developed a lot. And what is the main important thing is the teachers have also learned and enjoyed along with the kids. Thank you.
On which song are you teaching them? And which dance style are you teaching?
We teach Chadha Siyal Punjabi folk. Have we learned so much now?
Yes!
You enjoyed the dance, yeah?
Yes!
Very good.
We have been waiting for this day such a very long time, right guys? Yes! See the energy on their faces? Yes! Side of class 6, Advita, how's her dancing classes going?
Hi, my name is Advita, and according to my experience during the summer camp, it's just awesome. Dancing, painting pots, sports, etc. are the activities we are having. It's so much fun. Thank you.
Have a look what our Dipsides are doing in the fun game. This is the Tapti ma'am who will tell us more about it.
How are you? Right?
So please tell us about the
Yes. Yeah, nice to tell you that. We are here to play a fun game. That is we are playing Jump in the River. This kind of fun game. And literally I'm enjoying with them very much. This is here class 7th and 8th. Yes? 7th and 8th is there. So we are enjoying so much. So can we show you how we will play this game?
Before we show you the game, one of the students will like to tell us more about the summer camp. Now Anya will tell us how much we enjoyed the summer camp. Hello everyone, my name is Anya from class 8 in DPS Bijnor. Today I am here to share my review on the summer camp which is being held in our school. I am so glad that the school around such an amazing summer camp including fascinating activities like dance, fun games, aerobics, Zumba, etc. After being so hectic while doing academics, we students needed a break for which our summer camp is indeed very helpful. I'm enjoying this a lot and having a great time with my friends. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Now your game is Jump. Okay, now what are the rules? Say your hands in that. Now you can jump in, out, in, out, in.
I would like to call Neha ma'am who will tell us what students have learned so far.
Good morning to all. My name is Neha Singh and I am teaching them the magical cube, how to solve it. And this class will learn how to solve one face of the magical cube. And the other classes have learned how to solve all the sides of the magical cube. And they were enjoying it a lot and they have learned a lot.
Thank you ma'am. Now I would like to give my auntie who will tell us more.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anila. I study in class 1st A. In summer camp, we do lots of things and learn lots of things. We do dance, we learn music and solve cubes.
Now Vivan will tell us more about the summer camp he's been enjoying.
It was great fun and I enjoy a lot.
Music
painting pots, etc. are the activities we are having. What else do we need in a summer camp? Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Nandini Singh from class 6 and today I'll be sharing my reviews from the summer camp. I mean, like for a month we've been doing like all of this, we've been having exams and all. We need a break and thankfully the school gave us a 1 week summer camp. This is the 4th day and it's been literally awesome. Thank you to my school for arranging this awesome summer camp.
Good morning everyone, my name is Akshay and I'm from grade 7 D and go to school. And today I tell you my experience on the summer camp conducted by our school. So it was fun and I had a lot of fun doing summer camp activities such as Zumba, aerobics, dance, music and many more things. We learned many crafting and arts too. So thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ananya. I'm from 8 and I'm here to tell you about my summer camp. So in summer camp, we had many activities like art, dance, fun activities and sports. But I love dance the most because in which sir taught us a new dance form which I love to do. Overall, I just loved the summer camp. It was fascinating and fun. So I loved it. So I look forward to attend more such summer camp in future. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Ma'am, we want you to tell us that why is summer camp held in our school?
Okay. So thank you, Naishita. When we say summer camp, so what do you understand by summer camp?
Summer camp means that some activities held before summer vacation so that students have fun with their friends before going on vacation.
So when we were kids, when we were going to school, we were thinking, why can't we dance in school? Why can't we play in school? Why can't we have some fun games in our school? Okay. So nowadays, what is happening is it's when you are coming to a school, it is not only the school. It's a place where you are learning, where you are exploring. So that is why we have kept a summer camp and we have planned all the activities in such a manner that children are getting exposed to various activities. We are having fun games that children are enjoying. We are learning something new. We are having dance so that the children, those who are not participating in the normal dance classes, so that they also come and participate in dance classes. Okay, then we are having sports, yoga, Zumba, aerobics.
Yes,
so these type of activities, when they are organized or conducted in school, it gives a platform to all the students so that they can participate and learn in a very fun way. It's not a monotonous type of a schooling these days. The schooling should be fun where the children are loving. You must have all seen the students are so excited.
Ma'am, we are having so much fun.
Okay, so that is why the concept we thought of keeping the summer camp for a short duration only, so that your academic parts is also not suffered and you are enjoying as well as learning side by side.
Yes.
Okay, so that was a major concept when we were planning for summer camp. Next year also we are going to have these type of activities. Right now in June also we are having a robotics workshop that is also for 6 days, where all the students across Bijnor, we have invited them, we have told them we are having a summer camp for robotics. So we have got good number of enrollments for that also. And I hope the students across Bijnor are going to learn a lot. Thank you so much and God bless you both for participating and being the reporters of DPS Bijnor. Thank you.
This is the summer camp tour of Delhi Public School Bijnor. I hope that you guys also had fun watching. Our students had a lot of fun in their summer camp. There were so many activities as you all know. So I would like to end this tour by also introducing my camera girl, Namra. So this is my camera girl, Namra, who helped us throughout the summer camp tour. So thank you everyone for watching and stay tuned for more updates.
Thank you very much. Stay tuned.